Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to just clear your problems in the Heyday game or Clash of Clans or other Supercell games that many of them have a problem that they never get the code or the OTP in the Gmail, and I'm going to show you how to just get that code or the how to solve the problem. Okay, now for me it comes like this because I logged out and came in, but for you, if you click on the login to Supercell, it will come. Now you want to enter your email. Yeah, so for some of us the code will not come in the Gmail or other emails. So today I'm going to just tell you what is the reason, and if you're not satisfied with it, that's totally okay. I'll just link in the description for how to recover your Supercell account, the link, the Supercell page. So in this we don't get the OTP because we never sign up in the Supercell ID. We never signed in to Supercell. That's the thing, we never get the thing, the message. So this is the thing, and I will link it in the description, the Supercell page, for you to recover your account. So, and this is the end of the video. So, thank you for watching. Bye.